I'm trying to set up ADB on the rooted device with Android 9s. Here is just SSH to this device, to Termux terminal. I've set up ADB to connect not by USB but by network, by TCP with port 55 and 55. I've connected to ADB but not authorized. I will try to restart ADB service by commands stop ADBD and start ADBD. Restarting ADB service. Authorization pop-up appears and immediately disappears. Interesting behavior. Here is a related question. I will try this solution. Authorization key can be placed manually. Here is a path to ADB public key. I'm copying the full content of the public key, enabling SU to perform the next operations under root privileges. Entered data MISC ADB folder. There is no authorization keys. This is most likely because I've pressed in the settings button revoke USB debugging authorizations. Under root, Nana and V editors are not available. Touch and echo commands are working. I placed public key to this file, and with that, ADB authorization has been successfully acquired without using USB cable at all.